again. He singles off the ball but loses possession this time to Melaku. Now chance for Hawassa to try and build possession. Biruku, good chance into the area. The goalkeeper stands his ground and it's in! We have the opening goal of the 2020, 2021, 2022 Betking Ethiopian Premier League. Mesfin Tafese is deadly, and he just showed everyone why he's the preferred first choice.
It's all about eye contact, and that is Wodimagan Hailu, another under-23 youngster in that midfield. He finds some space right in between Jaspira and Bilai, and finds keeping by Mariam Shanko.
This is out to Bebe Tilahun. Tries to get Tadese, but this time round the flag has stayed down and the goalkeeper has been waylaid. It's been put in the net. The easiest way is to put the ball into the net. While there was a lot of hard work before, but then this one by Tafese Salomon simply sees the goalkeeper. No offside. He takes off ahead of everybody else, controls the ball on his left foot, and beats Mikel Samake by just pushing it away from the defender and the goalkeeper. And beats Mikel Samake by just pushing it away from the defender and the goalkeeper. Here is a chance now, looking for a left foot shot. It is the net! It's a lovely shot from the left side. They built it up patiently as well. And then Bezab Malayu puts the ball in the net from a deft left foot shot. That's what we're talking about in the Ethiopian game. You just don't know when they're going to shoot. You don't know when they're going to build it right into the net. It didn't look dangerous. It's lobbed out to the left side. Abu Bakr Nasser. Well, he will go onto the top of the log as the top scorer with 3 goals now after the 58th minute penalty.
It's the man who scored for the side, Tafese Salomon, who scored the first goal for the Ethiopia Coffee side. Nasser beats the goalkeeper, nicely slotted into the net.
And the celebration will be on the right side of the attack for Ethiopia Coffee. Lovely combination this time round. Nasser becoming the provider here.